What is the easiest forex trading strategy for beginners? Forex trading can be complex, and there's no one-size-fits-all strategy that guarantees success. However, for beginners, it's generally recommended to start with a simple and well-established strategy. Here's a straightforward strategy that many beginners find accessible. 1. Trend following. Identify the overall trend of the currency pair you are trading. You can use moving averages or trend lines to determine the direction of the market. Focus on trading in the direction of the trend. If the trend is up, look for buying opportunities. If it's down, look for selling opportunities. Avoid counter-trend trading as it can be riskier for beginners. 2. Use simple indicators. Rely on basic technical indicators like moving averages MA and the relative strength index RSI. Moving averages can help smooth price data to identify the trend direction, while the RSI can indicate overbought or oversold conditions. 3. Set clear entry and exit points. Establish clear entry and exit points before entering a trade. This helps you avoid emotional decision-making during live market conditions. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure profits. 4. Risk management. Only risk a small percentage of your trading capital on each trade, for example, 1 to 2%. This helps protect your account from significant losses. Calculate your position size based on your risk tolerance and the distance to your stop-loss level. 5. Start with major currency pairs. Begin by trading major currency pairs, for example, your USD, USD/JPY, as they tend to have higher liquidity and lower spreads, making them more suitable for beginners. 6. Demo trading. Practice your strategy on a demo account before risking real money. This allows you to refine your approach and gain confidence without financial risk. Remember that no strategy guarantees success, and forex trading involves risks. It's crucial to continuously educate yourself, stay informed about market conditions, and adapt your strategy as needed. Additionally, consider seeking advice from experienced traders or financial professionals, and be cautious of unrealistic promises of quick profits in the forex market. For more details, watch my other videos, subscribe, ask a question in the comments, or contact me via email. See you soon.